Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be eating a Chinese dish that I have never tried before. So here is the menu. I'm going to be selecting two dishes, one that I already love to eat and the second one which is new. This dish here, called the Shihunshi Chaojidang, is one of my favorites. As you can see clearly, it is made from fresh tomatoes and eggs fried together. I really love this one and I would go for it. It cost about 16 yuan, which is approximately about $2.5. This is what I finally settled on as a second dish. It is called the Mei Wei Tang Kao Yu. Basically, it is just grilled fish, okay, and it cost about 48 yuan, which is in US dollars about $7.5. So guys, as I wait for the food, this is something you might be interested in or not. So this particular one, the fish dish that I ordered, is prepared with a type of fish called the Bian Yu. In English language, it's called the bream. And so what is done is the fish is just grilled, okay, and then after it is well grilled, it is prepared with some veggies and spices in a soup form. In most Chinese restaurants, cooked rice is free. You only need to pay for the sauce or soup and then you can have free rice. In the worst case scenario, you only pay about 1 or 2 yuan, which is almost about $0.2 or $0.3 for the first bowl of rice, but subsequent bowls of rice are all free. So you just pay for a bowl and then you can eat as much as you want. Now guys, here is my honest opinion about this food. I have tried other fish dishes here in China, but trust me when I say this is one of the best I have ever eaten. It really tastes good. It's a bit spicy and I really love it. I love the veggies that it comes with. One last thing I would love to say is this meal is just enough for about 5 or 6 people. Note that we were only 2 people and this meal costed about $10, which we couldn't finish, and so we had to take the rest back home. So if you are 5 or 6 in number, you can get the same quantity, same price, and then you just order more rice and you'll be good to go. So in all, I'll just say it was worth the try and I'll definitely be coming back. Thank you guys for watching the video and See you in my next video. Bye.